Hello to our dear clients from Daropo Infotech. Today I'm going to tell you about a WhatsApp marketing software with the name Daropo Button Pro. Daropo Button Pro software is full of advanced features like WhatsApp bulk messaging, interactive templates, live chat, chatbot, and etc. This is the main interface of the software. When you will log in this software, you will see this interface as dashboard. In the dashboard, you can analyze all the activity which you perform through this application, like message sent from your side, the active device you have logged in this, the total contacts, the template, the auto reply you have set, the chatbot you have set it, the call responder, and the campaign you are running. Then you have to switch to the devices, then click on add device. After clicking on add device, here you have to just give your device name. For example, I'm taking as Daropo. Now you have to create a device, then this interface will arise in front of you. You have to simply click on show QR code. Here the QR code will get generated in front of you. You have to simply scan it and your number will get logged in this particular application. After this, click on contacts. After clicking on the contacts, create a new group. Here you have to give the name of your contact group. Like for example, I'm taking as demo 1. Here you can even add a description also for your acknowledgement. Then you have to just click on this particular icon only, and here the new interface will arise in front of you. If you want to do it a manual add, you can do it. Like you want to add a manually, you can do it from manual add. If you want to copy paste from somewhere, you can do it from this option. If you want to import Excel sheet of your contact, you can do it from Excel import. Now I will do a manual import. Here I will add the name of the contact. Like for example, I'm taking as Ritik, and here I'm writing the number. For example, I'm taking one number over here. Now I will add a contact here. Now my contact has been added over here. Now I will go to the templates. Then I will create a template over here. I will get templates type like text message, message with image, message with document, message with contact. If you want your message, your voucher means photos and buttons together, so you have to proceed with mix interactive buttons. Now you have to give a template name. I'm giving as demo 123. Then I will click with the journal. Like here you can get a category also. It can be welcome, sales, support, marketing, follow-up, appointment, order. These are the options for which your template is about. I'm going with the journal, and here I will write a description, means a content of your template. Then I will scroll it down. Here I can add a buttons over here. Total button I can use is 5. Like quick reply button, here I will go with the interested. Then I can add more buttons. Now I will go with the CTURL, means a link. If you have some link, you can edit a link over here. Like I will go with visit. Now I will paste the link. The link I will paste here. The person who will click on visit now, it will redirect to this particular link. I can even add a CTA phone, means a calling button also. Like for example, for the person who will click call now, this number which I have added here, the contact will redirect to him. After this, if I want to upload any image, so I can even upload the image also, and I will just create a template over it. My template is in front of you. Okay, then you can, if you want to like preview something, like you want to preview your template, so this is the interface of your template. This type of template has been created by ourselves. Then I will go to the bulk messaging. Like from here I can shoot my message to all the clients. Now I will create a campaign over here. I will just give a campaign name, and here I will select the session, means the number I want to send message from. Like this was the number which I have logged in. Now I will go with this. If I want to do it text message, I can do it from here only. If I want to deliver a template, so I will select on template message, and I will choose that particular template which I have made it already, and I will just scroll it down. Now schedule type, if you want to send it immediately, you can do it from send immediately. If you want to schedule it for later, you can even schedule it and like for later purpose also. And create post is like you want to just create your campaign, but now you don't want to deliver, so you can pause your campaigning. So I want to do it immediately. So this is a delay range, means a time gap between the messages. And then you have to just scroll it up. It is a contact selection. Here I will select those contact group to whom I want to deliver the message. Then I will just create and send. My message will start delivering to him. After this, you have to just simply go to the single messages. Going to the single messages, here I have to just simply select that particular login device, and after this I will just scroll it down. Here I can write the messages, the message I want to send to those number I can edit here. And after scrolling it down, here the text message I want to write. If I want to deliver a template also, I can select that particular template also from here. This is the process of the bulk messaging. Now I will proceed with some other features of this application. Like this is a warmer. Warmer act like a good rhythm to your numbers, means you can make your numbers strong here with adding your numbers to the number warmer. Here I will go to the campaign name. It can be anything of your choice. Here I will write a description again for the acknowledgement. Here I have to select any two numbers. Those two numbers will conversate between each other, and that will help them to make their number quite stable to deliver bulk messaging. Then I will go to the opt out management. Opt out management is just nothing, it's just an unsubscribe button. It's a preview of your unsubscribe button. Like total opted out means here you can check your the number, the person who have unsubscribed you, the person who have unsubscribed you today, in this week or this month. This is a quite of a ratio. You can change the percent. You can check whether how many percent people have unsubscribed me. Here you can even check the contacts of those person who have unsubscribed me. This is auto reply. Auto reply acts as like a welcome message. A person who will makes you hi, hello, whatever the message he makes you, the message you will set in auto reply will be redirect to him as a welcome message. Now I will go with the chatbot flow. Chatbot flow is just act like a chatbot, means a revert to a person after clicking to your buttons. Like for example, a person who will click on interested button, the template you have made for interested people, it will be redirect to him. Now how about the process of making this? You have to simply create a flow. Here I have to give the flow name. It can be anything of your choice. Here for again I will go with the acknowledgement. Here I will select the contact, the number the device I have logged in this. Here I will go with the individual and groups. Here I will select that particular keyword. Like for example, I'm taking as interested. Then after this, here I can go with the match type, and I have to just click on match case. After this is a cooldown minimum type between the flow triggers for the same users. Then a message delay seconds, like the gap between the messages. Here you can set this, and you can simply create your flow. Your flow will be created and your message will be delivered to that particular person after clicking that particular keyword. This is AI chatbot. AI chatbot is just like you want to integrate something, we have provided you the option with the AI chatbot, so you can integrate whatever the things you want to integrate over here. This is a call responder. Call responder act like someone makes you a WhatsApp call. You reject someone's call, so you can make a message to him. You can create a message for rejection call also and acceptation of the calls also. So it will help you as a gesture to that particular person, and it is a quite a good message will be converted to our customer that a person is quite busy and he is still responding to us. This is a follow-up. Now you can do your follow-up through this application only. Like here I can create a follow-up. I can write the name of the follow-up, whatever the name I want to write. Here I will select the contact group. Then after clicking on the contact group, I will select the numbers to which number I want to make a follow-up. I can make it in a group also and in the bulk numbers also. Then after this you have to scroll down. I can write a message, like for example I'm going with any update. Here it can the message, it's yours. You can write any message of your choice. Then you have to schedule the time also, and you have to just create a follow up, and your follow up will be get created for here. And after whatever the time you have scheduled it, the whatever the message you have scheduled it over here, the person will receive that particular messages. After this, we have to go to the live chat. Now here you can log in your number, and you can do a live chat from here only. You don't want to visit, like you cannot visit on your WhatsApp, so you can do it your live chat over here only. This is a group grabber. Group grabber is like your contact is must be in a plenty of groups, so you can simply grab a data, or you can fetch a data from there, and you can send message to them directly. This is a manage group. Manage group can be done like you can here manage your group from here only. You can add your admin, you can remove someone from admin. So your total work of the manage group is to manage the group, and you can even create a group over here also. This is a report. Basically this is a status of whole the application, like campaign, contact, message, device, templates, chatbot. It is a total status of your application. Localization, like you want to change the name of it, some features, so you can add that feature over here, and you can change the name of that particular feature of your choice. Now we go with the setting. This is a general setting. Here you can go with the dark mode also and the light mode also. This is app update. If any update arises in front of you, you can simply check that update and you can install it from here. And this is the email setting. Here you can add your email over here. After adding the email template will arise in front of you. You can just even create a template for emails also. Bulk messaging, here you can check the numbers, you can add the numbers, you can go with sleep time and all the things. Basically this is a setting for your bulk messaging. And after this you have to just go to the dashboard, and this was all about our particular application. Hopefully you get it each and everything. Thank you, and